Hello, I'm Coach Nam from Odemar CrossFit. Today, we'll look at the wrist wrap proper way. Are you still wearing your wrist wrap like this? Then you should subscribe, like the video, finish this video.
Reason why we use a wrist wrap is obviously because we want to protect our wrist, especially when you do press movements or snatch. Some people use the wrist wrap like this. I'm not saying this is improper way to use it when you need to bend your wrist, but we don't want to bend our wrist most of the time. Just imagine bench pressing or snatching with overbended wrist. This gonna be so hard later. Anyway, proper way to use a wrist wrap to not move your wrist is this. Put a string on your thumb or put a wrist wrap on your palm if there is no string. Then cover your wrist and roll to the bottom. It's good when your back of the hand is half covered by wrist wrap. Since wrist wrap is cover your wrist, this will not bend easily, which means it's solid. Think that we don't wrap or put the knee sleeves on the shin and thigh to prevent knee bending, right? Covering bottom of your wrist is good when you need to bend your wrist and you still want to protect it as well. Careful to use a wrist wrap on your wrist when it needs to bend. More stiffness can be more fragile. And remember, you should not tighten it hard with this way to prevent wrist bending because your blood will block for sure.
Now you know how to use your wrist wrap properly. Keep working out. Be safe.